Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Outlast Trials crashing on Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Library tab. Go ahead and click on it to access your game collection. Now, I should mention that I don't actually have Outlast Trials in my library list, but I'll walk you through the next steps anyway. Let's pretend that I have Outlast Trials installed so you can follow along with the exact process. Once you locate Outlast Trials in your library, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Properties to access the game's settings and configuration options. In the Properties window, navigate to the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. You'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Go ahead and toggle this off. Turning off the Steam overlay can actually help resolve the crashing issue, as it reduces potential conflicts between the game and Steam's interface features. Next, look for the Launch Options section. You'll see a text field below it. Click on that text field and type -dx11. This command forces the game to run using DirectX 11, which can improve stability and prevent crashes on certain systems. Now, in the left panel, click on Installed Files. This section contains various file management options for your game. Here, you'll want to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This feature checks if any of your game files are corrupted or missing and automatically repairs them. Wait for this process to finish, as it may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game. Once it's complete, restart Steam and try launching Outlast Trials again to see if the issue is resolved. Additionally, you'll need to disable your Discord overlay if you're using Discord while gaming. The overlay can sometimes interfere with game performance and cause crashes. Open your Discord app and log in with your credentials. In the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see a gear icon. Click on it to access your settings. In the left panel, click on Game Overlay. This will take you to Discord's overlay settings. Look for the option that says Enable Overlay. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Turn this off to disable Discord's overlay feature, which should help eliminate any potential conflicts. Finally, you also need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of game crashes. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific GPU model. After updating your drivers, restart your PC to ensure all changes take effect properly. You've now addressed the most common causes of Outlast Trials crashing on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.